Our flake ice machines are higher technology. They are with more components compared to other Chinese flake ice machines. They can make much stronger ice flakes. The stronger ice flakes are with more cooling power, and the stronger ice flakes are obviously thicker than the ice made by other Chinese machines. So let's check the quality of the ice flakes made by our machine. This is a very well frozen dry ice flakes. The ice thickness is more than 2.5 millimeters. This is very well frozen ice. The best quality ice flakes you can ever find in the market. Making better quality ice flakes will make you become the winner in the ice market. So, take my flake ice machine and become the winner in the ice market. You can hear the sound of the ice flow. It sounds so powerful. Very strong ice flakes. Ice flakes are obviously thicker. You can see more than 2.5 millimeters. This is the ice flakes made by our higher technology flake ice machines. They are with more components compared to other Chinese machines. Take my machines and become the winner in the ice market.